Hello, in this tutorial I will show you exactly what I did to fix this problem, which is how to get your money off hold on eBay. Now, if eBay holds your money, here is exactly how to fix it. Now, first thing, what you need to do, let me just log in into my eBay account. Now, first of the time, this happens if you are a new seller, okay? If you are a new seller, eBay builds trust with you and they try to hold the money for a few days, around 21 days, 15 days. But if you add the tracking number of the, like if you deliver the product and it says the tracking number says it's delivered, eBay will like remove the hold from your funds. Okay, so the thing is, if you are an old seller and you have been selling for a very long time and all of the sudden recently some people opened a dispute against you on eBay for item not received or damaged item, eBay will try to hold money for future transactions. Only a few transactions, not all. They will try to hold these transactions. They will just build trust again with you. It will just be like this for a few days, and then you will be able to use your your eBay account normally, and then your funds will be available immediately. Okay, so it's not immediately, it's just 24 hours. That's the maximum amount of time. That's the minimum amount of time they can release the payment, which is 24 hours. Now, what I want you to do is to try to upload tracking number right away. Now, whenever you sell products, make sure you click on my eBay selling and then click on awaiting shipment. And what you need to do is you want to add the tracking number for the product. Now, if you are selling a digital product, you can always call you can just contact the buyer, say something like, "Hi, I want you to confirm that you have received the product," and then and after that, you will be able, just tell them to leave a positive feedback. It will be enough for eBay to release the payment for you. Now, by the way, if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I have a lot of experience with eBay, especially dropshipping on eBay. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or anything like that. Make sure to drop a like and see you in the next tutorial.